All right. So in the previous two videos, I showed you how to take apart the 13 Sonic and build something like this. Batteries, CPU, speaker, wires coming out for the LED. One thing I've done since then is I hooked this wire up here to that so that I can extend it so that when you pull this down, you'll get room enough that your batteries come out the bottom to be able to change. So this is a Sonic I've been working on. It was Silence in the Library Sonic for a customer. It's got the hash marks. So we're just going to take this, slide that in there. I want to probably get these wires on top of the Sonic piece like that. And this is what I was talking about previously, is if you have too much tape and you don't mark these down a little bit, it won't fit in there well. So you just kind of push that in there. Now you have your button, you have your top. Now as you're putting this together, you're probably going to accidentally make connection, but that's okay. Take this out first, okay, off. Run it back through the hole. Then take your nut, put it on, then connect these back again. The reason for that is so that you can slide that in there. And I like to take the bottom end off at this point so that everything can just dangle down there and I can have room to work. So, I don't know if you can see this, but I'll get your nut near the button. And like I said, you'll make accidental connections, but that's fine. Get some tweezers or something sometimes to help kind of line that up. Okay. And make sure you turn it the correct way, because you'll be spinning for minutes without figuring out what you've done wrong. So I say it should tighten right on up. This will be a quick video. Just tighten that up. And as it gets tighter, it should feel tighter on the top. And what I like to do when it gets real tight on the inside is come back on the outside and just spin that button a little bit. And that should tighten it up the last little bit you need. Okay, so now we have our battery compartment down here. Should be able to pull it out enough, there you go, to change your batteries when you need to. That's that extra screw I told you that we don't take out unless we need to. Okay, always have an area where your sound can come out. I just happened to incorporate it into the design this time. Okay, I have two LEDs in here, one going right here and one up there. They're hooked to the same power source. I like to put a little tape around where my connector is going to the handle to get a tighter fit, even though I do a mechanical connection using screws, which I haven't added on this one yet, but I will. But for simplicity's sake, oh, that little cut right there is so it can line up with the cuts underneath. And we'll go back to the end. And again, I like to put a little tape underneath that so that the screw on the bottom will have a little bit more to bite onto. And I'll clean up any excess tape over each end. And there she is. Just add my mechanical connection to it so it doesn't come apart on you. and it's done.